Hello everybody. Today we're going to be going over a quick at-home HIIT workout. Now for this workout you can do as many rounds as you like. I recommend starting off with 3 rounds, and if you think you can keep going, add a 4th or even a 5th round to this workout. Our first exercise today is going to be high knees. Now we're going to be performing this for around 30 seconds. Ensure that your arms are moving and crossing your body, and overall that you're consistently moving during this movement. If you got to slow down, that's totally fine. Next exercise you're going to go right into after a 15-second break. You're going to go into an iso squat. So hold at the bottom for a quick snapshot or 1 to 2 seconds, where you'll perform 10 repetitions. Ensure that you are practicing good form, so keeping the weight over the middle of your foot, your knees are in line with your toes, and that your spine is not curving too much. Now we're going to be moving down to the floor, where we're going to be combining 2 exercises. We're going to do an inchworm and a push-up. So slowly unravel your spine, where you're going to lower your hands down to the ground, where you'll then walk out into a high plank position. Perform a push-up and then walk your hands all the way back up before standing up nice and tall. Perform 10 repetitions of this exercise. And then finally, we're going to be performing a plank breakdown. So for this exercise, start off in your high plank position, where you'll then lower yourself down to your forearms and then back up onto your hands. All the way down and all the way back up is 1 repetition. I hope you all enjoyed this workout, and I'll catch you in the next one.